Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our Play Store because we have to install Dolby On from here. Now we have to open it. Here I have to click skip, not now, no thanks, and by clicking this button right here we are going to start audio recording with way better quality than original default audio recorder on our device. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!